Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cassidy, otherwise known as Curls and Eyeliner. Today I am going to show you how I do my flawless glowy skin. I know my lips and my eyes are completely obnoxious and you would think that they're the focal point of this video, but they're not. It is all about my skin routine, how I make my foundation look so effortless. It's a full coverage, your skin but better, basically. So if you want to see how I do my foundation, and especially to get this glowy look on oily skin, just keep watching. And while you're at it, you can click that button right there and subscribe to my channel. And you can also check out my other social media links up here. Okay? Without further ado, let's get into the video and I'll see you on the flip side. So let's go ahead and get this tutorial started. I'm going to start off by priming my face using the Maybelline Master Prime in 100 Blur and Smooth. Like, my face just feels so velvety. Ugh. Okay, for foundation today, I'm using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in Amber and Clove. Also going to throw in some of the Makeup Revolution liquid highlight in bronze gold. And taking my Morphe sponge, we're just going to start blending this out. To conceal and highlight, I'm taking my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Amande. back in with my Morphe sponge. Now we're going to set those highlighted areas using my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. And I am pressing it in. Just want to To set the rest of my face, I'm taking my Fit Me finishing powder in 35 Deep. If you've been watching me for long enough, you know that I'm taking my Black Radiance pressed powder in Ebony. So to get rid of this ungodly powdery look, we're going to take our setting spray. I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter, and I'm going to set my face now, and then after, you know, I'm done with the rest of my face, I'll set it again. And you want to wait until it gets almost dry. Take your sponge and press everything down. So I'm gonna go do my eyes off camera and I'll be back to do blush and highlight. Alright guys, so I'm done with my eyes. I filmed it on Instagram Live, but if you didn't catch it, leave me a red emoji in the comments to let me know if you want me to film this eye look for you guys. But I'm just gonna jump in and finish my face up real quick. So we are going to jump into blush. Since this is a glowy face look, I'm gonna use my Milani Rose d'Oro Baked Powder Blush. And I'm taking my Monica Dar Fantasy 3-in-1 palette. Alright, and then I'm going to do one last round of my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Then to finish everything off, I gotta do my lips, and I'm just gonna kick it up to the glowiest level possible. I'm taking my Tattoo Junkies lip paint and lip effects kit in Rebel, and we're gonna have some fun. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. The focus of this video was completely on the face, but if you guys want me to film this eye look, like I said, leave it down in the comments, a red emoji, so you can let me know. Give me a thumbs up, comment pretty much anything you want, as long as it's nice. I'm a person, I have feelings, you know. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Stay beautiful, and I love you.